Contacts are at the center of what helps fuel the autonomous engine. Once someone becomes a contact, you can organize and manage their customer journey. But how do we actually get contacts into the account? In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to add contacts into your account: manually adding contacts, importing from a spreadsheet, and automating contact additions through integrations. By the end, you'll know which method fits your situation best. Let's start with the simplest method, adding contacts manually. Click on Contacts in the main navigation. Click the Add a Contact button in the top right corner. Then enter the contact's email address or phone number. Either of them will be required to create a contact. Add any additional information you have. Assign the contact to at least one list if you want to send them a marketing email right away. You can also add tags or custom field data at this point if you have that information. Your contact is now in your account and ready to be sent campaigns. And that's all there is to it when adding a contact manually. It's quick and simple for small numbers of contacts. But what if you have dozens, hundreds, or thousands of contacts to add at once? Well, that's where importing comes in. ActiveCampaign accepts CSV files, which you can export from most email platforms or spreadsheet programs. Let me walk you through the import process in ActiveCampaign. Click on Contacts in the main navigation. Click Import. Then click Import from File. Select the CSV file from your computer. Map your CSV columns to ActiveCampaign fields. The system will automatically match the column to fields like email, first name, and last name. You can also create new custom fields here to map to. Review these matches to make sure they're correct. Choose which list to add these contacts to. Select an existing list and optionally add tags to all imported contacts. I like to add something like import followed by the import date. This is helpful for tracking where your contacts come from or what import batch they belong to. Review your import options settings and then click Import. ActiveCampaign will process your file and show your summary when complete. And now your contacts are in ActiveCampaign with all their data mapped correctly. So manual additions work for one-off contacts, importing works for bulk uploads, but what if you want contacts to flow into ActiveCampaign automatically? Well, that's where integrations come in. ActiveCampaign integrates with hundreds of platforms, so contacts can flow into your account automatically whenever someone fills out a form, makes a purchase, or takes any other action in your business. Let me show you an example using Google Sheets. Click on the account profile avatar and click Apps. Find and select the Google Sheets option. Click Import Data and authorize ActiveCampaign. Select which Google Sheet contains your contacts and choose which list these contacts should be added to. Any contacts imported through here will also get a tag to help identify where they came from. Next, we need to map the columns in your spreadsheet's fields into ActiveCampaign fields, just like we did with the CSV import. Finally, name the import, select the import settings, and click Finish. Now, whenever you add a new row into your Google Sheet, that contact will automatically appear in ActiveCampaign. This same process works with form builders, CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and hundreds of other tools. Set it up once and contacts flow in automatically. So which method should you use? Well, many businesses use all 3 methods. You might manually add a few VIP contacts, import your existing customer list from another platform, and set up integrations to capture new leads automatically. Start with a method that fits your current situation and scale up as your needs grow. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.